Stop driving blind. Fix your Silverado's rear-view camera today. Troubleshooting doesn't have to be hard. First, check if your screen is completely black or just blurry. If it's black, make sure your Silverado is in reverse sometimes. It's just a gear issue. Still nothing? Try restarting your truck. Electronics love a fresh start. Next, inspect the camera lens on your tailgate. Dirt, water, or even snow can block the view. Give it a quick wipe. Sometimes that's all it takes. Now check your fuses. Open the fuse box, usually under the hood or inside the driver's side door. Look for the fuse labeled rear view camera or backup. If it's blown, swap it for a new one. Still not working? Check the wiring at the back of the camera. Loose or frayed wires could be the culprit. If you spot damage, you'll need a pro for repairs. If everything looks good but the camera still won't work, your display screen might be the issue. Try adjusting the brightness or contrast settings. Sometimes it's just turned down too low. Last resort, update your Silverado's infotainment system software. Check your manual or dealer website for easy instructions. If none of these work, it's time to visit a certified Chevy technician. Stay safe and keep that rear view crystal clear.